Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about something which is very important. And why it is very important? Because your first impression is your last impression. And one thing which everyone notices about you is how well you're dressed up, how well you're groomed up. Therefore, self-grooming is as important for men as it is for women. It not only boosts your confidence but also helps you draw that positive attention. I know we men do not have that self-care time. That is why I want to thank Colorbar for bringing out those multitasking grooming products for the modern man. Now I'm going to talk about the first product, which is this one. This is a stunning 2-in-1 moisturizing pre-shave and exploiting face wash which hydrates your skin for a closer shave while washing away all the dirt. Now coming to the second product, which is my everyday multitasker. That is an all-in-one balm that not only nourishes your skin but also creates a defensive barrier against all the bacteria that causes inflammation and unpleasant odors. Now coming to the powerful mix of vitamin E, anti-pollution serious tract. This is a lightweight formula which minimizes the signs of aging and locks the moisturizer to your skin. So the party season is around the corner. I'm all set to party and I don't have to worry about those calories, those puddings. I'll tell you why. I have this product which is Girth Buster by Colorbar. It has pepper extract caffeine which helps to tighten, reshape your body and improves your skin tone. Now you can enjoy the party being carefree. You don't have to worry about those love handles and belly fat. So all you men out there, you don't have to worry about those 1,000 products because Colorbar is here. Now it's time for you to multitask.